should be no doubt in anyone's mind that Mr. Öcalan's call for peace is serious and sincere, and that the steps taken are very concrete and real. But it's also clear to us that these huge steps need to be met with clear and equivalent concrete measures from the Turkish state. As we understand it, although Mr. Öcalan's conditions have improved somewhat, he is still not free to receive any visitors he wants and needs to meet. He's still not free to travel where he needs to travel to and engage with the people that he needs to. And he's therefore still not free to play the full role that everyone needs him to play and that only he can play in order to bring about peace and reconciliation. It's also our understanding that the new laws and constitutional changes that are needed to further the process have still not yet been agreed or accepted. And of course, we understand there is still a huge amount of repression and military activity that absolutely needs to stop.